Wondering why there is a need to prepare an outline when you are writing a dissertation? An outline of a dissertation is the blueprint of your academic document. The purpose is clear: the draft makes the work easy. It acts as reference material and aids you throughout the writing process. Let's hop on to the next slide to curate it with perfection. A dissertation is a lengthy paper that consists of many sections. You should formulate a framework for each part to avoid trouble while writing. It allows you to work on the dissertation topic smoothly. It is a master plan to effortlessly succeed in the game of academic writing. Let us understand what to include in each section. Under the title section, you jot down the heading of the subject matter on which you are writing. Followed by the title comes the abstract part, which is not at all explanatory. The outline includes gaps in the previous work. It also states the objectives and key results of the current research with methods employed briefly. Introduction is the start of your dissertation. It should be strong enough to influence the reader at first gaze. An introduction should include the background, terms, scope, and importance of the given topic. While framing the outline, highlight the imperative points and jot them in bullet points or any other formatting style. Students think that introduction and literature review are the same. Hold on. There is a difference between both. A literature review discusses prior work and your findings and then makes a comparison. You should include how your research contributes significantly to your field of study. State the central points in an outline. The methodology section contains the research methods used. It talks about all the techniques and approaches used in the research process. Also, you can state the obstacles faced while collecting the relevant data. While preparing an outline, list the procedure in 1 to 2 lines. The result portion talks about the outcome of your research. You can include all the relevant data collected, for example, tables and figures. Also, you can add information that does not support your hypothesis. The discussion section comprises assumptions and previous findings and explains why your research holds credibility. The conclusion is the summary of your research. It answers the dissertation question and gives the reader a clear understanding of the argument. It is the final chapter and a reflection of your findings. In this section, you should prove how your research provides a new perspective to the old study. This slide shows examples of the dissertation outline. You can take reference of it before preparing the framework in future. The link for the same is provided in the description. Now that you are well versed with all the guidelines and norms, we hope you can draft the outline covering the main aspects. A dissertation outline plays a vital role if you want your paper to be flawless and smooth. So do not hurry and curate it by covering all the primary components.